finish, gentlemen. We have on one side a Ferrari that a transmission is going in. On one side we have a Bentley that the whole engine and transmission is going in. Let's see who wins. A, B, no clue. They're both kind of underneath the cars and I'm just videotaping. I love my job. I just get to stand and watch. Watch. Next thing will be a curse word in Russian. No? Not yet? Okay.
We already built the pressure, now time to fire up.
It's like running like a charm. Happy face.
Unbelievable, no chicken in life.
No chicken in life, this is for now. Alright.
Okay, Alex, shut down and feel the coolant. Yoo-hoo!
It was start.
It was start. Okay, guys, we will finish and show you final car.
It's finally, I believe, coming to an end. Just finished doing the AC on it, recharge it fully, putting on all the covers. We'll get it set up basically where we can drive it off, because right now it's low. Start it up basically, and go for a test drive. See how she performs. And yeah, that's about it. She is done. One more project out of the way, and finishing that one. Then we got other ones. So I'll keep you updated. If there's any issues, if we found something, we didn't find something, take care. Product all finished, all done. She's happy. Purrs like a kitten. No check engine light, no nothing.
No, nothing.
Everything is good.
Everything looks good.
One more happy customer.
Yeah, few problem being before with the bubble, with the one sensor. But here we go. You know, it's always any big swap. I mean, like a high-end engine stuff. You know, it's like it's not mean you miss something. Something is like maybe it's damaged or not right, and it brings like little challenge. But everything is nice and smooth. Engine working fine. One more happy customer. And guys, when you do the oil change, make sure you do everything right.
Make sure to put in the filter correctly. Take care, guys. It'll be an interesting day. Today we get to play with this beautiful Lamborghini. It only has, I think, around 5K on it. I mean, it's fresh. It's fresh. Owner wanted to install a different exhaust because the stock one he doesn't like, and we both, me and Dimitri, both agree because, well, first of all, it doesn't sound as good, and look how ugly it is.
Yeah, the first main concern about the tips, guys, it's a really expensive and high performance supercar, because it's have a Aventador, Aventador S, Aventador SV, and SVG, of course. And guys, Aventador S, I think they have a more nice looking tips than this one.
Yeah,
this one is it's big,
it's plain, it's ugly,
it's quad, but it looks not right. And the one exhaust company they made is really good. It's good exhaust system and nice forged tips. How it looks?
definitely interesting.
Yeah, and
It's all gold.
that gold stuff and
As far as I know,
that forged carbon.
Yep.
This looks nice. I like it. I like it. I like how it looks, and it's really much gold color to yellow one. And of course, its sound is gonna be amazing. It's because for 720, 750, they make little bit. I think they have a little bit different regulation, and the car is more quiet than LP 700. But let's see. This is our first exhaust like this for Lamborghini Aventador, and we swap so many Capristo in other brands, It's like I can possibly misspell the brands, but so many different stuff.
Oh, we've mispronounced those brands many times.
but this type of exhaust, this is new line from that exhaust company, and we really want to hear how is it, how is the sound, and many our subscribers ask, please, we want to hear it. And let's start swapping. Of course, first what we're gonna do, we wanna wrap the car for scratch protection like this, and then start slowly turn down, because so many unique and expensive pieces over there, and that car it's unique. And let's start.
Hey guys, just give you an update. Rear end is off, as you can see. Next step is to get the wonderful cats out, and just to show you the difference, this is the original one right here, and then the aftermarket one is
It's
over
a
here.
huge difference.
It's a big difference. I mean, look at that. Look how thick.
Big difference.
Look at this thing. Look at that thing. It's tiny.
Yeah, but we have to remove that shield and install it and protect
Yeah.
this exhaust. See, by the way, it's a single nut rims. Look at that.
That is very cool.
Yeah, the spoiler is out. It's like a one piece. This rear bumper looks cool. This beautiful Lambo over there. There's another Lambo here.
It's twins day. But yeah, look at this. This is pretty. This is always cool to see.
It looks like virgin car. Nobody do nothing before. Few times service, I believe.
One-time service.
One time service, yeah. Okay, let's remove the downpipe. Second day, we did that beautiful Lamborghini SV. Yesterday, before we left, we removed catalytic converter from left and right side. It's a little bit more difficult than LP700. I think it's a little bit bigger. Maybe they changed something like a headers, and it's more thicker. We remove a few shield over there, pipe, and today slowly our plan to install it back catalytic. We need to wrap that catalytic. Not catalytic. Test pipe, downpipe, but I don't know why you call it test pipe. And slowly start assembling back this beautiful SV. This is how it looks, test pipe, and this is how it looks to catalytic converter. Then I remove this shield from this old muffler and install it to this one, and slowly start assembling back. Saturday, really evening now, and just finish installation to the test pipe. I have a little problem with this. One side is going nice and smooth, and it's have a two clamp, and that clamp is need tight. I mean, one time it's like just like the same time, but this side brings me a lot of headache. Okay, what's going on? That two clamps is clamps over here and over there. It have to be connected, and if this is good fitment, first we talk about fitment. If this is good fitment, that two pipe, short one, it's going inside the headers, and then you connect clamp. What happens with me? The top, this is top, this is bottom. The top be connected, but visually from top to bottom I can see how is it. Top I connected, installed clamp, and this is like a V-bend clamp design. When you connect and tight, you just really connect and tight two pipes between each other, because this looks like a cone. After I connect the top, I go back to the bottom, to this clamp, this have like this big gap, and that short pipe is not go inside because something not right. I spent 5 hours to readjust, use this stripe, I use these pliers to connect lower pipe. It's nothing happens, nothing crazy, because after you warm up few cycle, the heat stretch change the band and everything is going to be nice and smooth. If you guys think it's crap and because it has pressure, no, it's just to give hard time to installers to connect two pipes. Of course it's not right, but it's not bad. This is how we spent installation time today. And just at that two pipes, I would like to connect that muffler today, remove this shield and connect. And of course I do have a challenge between the two pipes, because it's not gonna be same level now, and I'm sure it's one more challenge, and I hope I finish this exhaust Monday. I removed that shield, heat shield protection from the factory muffler, and I want to show you guys how it's compared to aftermarket one. This is small muffler, this is factory muffler. It's really good protection, heat protection, and safe. That one, this one. Anyway, we have a heat shield, one more heat shield, and this protect this muffler to overheat. Plastic or catch fire, it still works. I want to install that muffler today. I show you how it's fit inside and how it's now, how it looks. This flex pipe, how it's not in a different level. Okay.